Angela Doyle made contact with me, and I met her over a period of a year. She would have told me very honestly and very openly about all that was involved. And then she wrote her book, Loving Lisa. In that, she's very honest about the awfulness and the effect that it had on her.
I do think it's shocking that he could be walking the streets in less than, 4 years? I do believe he is a threat. How could he not be? But I don't carry his energy with me because I have to mind me. And if I were to allow that darkness into my life, I have children, I have a life, I can't let him ruin that too. He's already taken enough.